Welcome to AA Basic Series. Ikkada you will learn AA from zero step by step. You have ever wondered how AA gives correct answers so fast? When we ask a question, who does AA actually understanding it? Today I will explain it in a very simple way. Hi everyone, welcome back to AA with PriyankaDDP. In today's video, we will learn how AA works. Simple and easy. No coding, no technical terms, just a clear explanation. Step 1. Input. Input means the information you gives to AA. For example, write a message, explain a topic, whatever you type, what your input. So clear input ఇవ్వడం చాలా important. And next step 2, process. This is the main part. AA takes your question and analyze it. It understands the meaning and context. Behind the scenes, it uses a large amount of data to figure out the best possible answer. This happens in seconds, super fast. Step 3. Output. Finally, AA gives you the answer. It can be a message, an explanation, or even an idea. Your output depends on your input. So the better your question, the better your result. Let's see a simple example. Input. Write a birthday message. Process AI analyze the request. Output. A ready-made message. ఇలా సింపుల్ గా AI వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. If you want better results, ask clear and detailed questions. And for example, write a funny birthday message for my best friend. This way, AA gives you more accurate and useful answers. So now you clearly understand how AA works. In the next video, we will explore the best AA tools for beginners. Like and comments and subscribe to my channel and follow the AA Basic series on AA with PriyankaDDP.